Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll be giving quick tutorials on how to use a large number of design software and other daily tools. Today I'll be showing you how to go from basic to edgy with this simple lipstick color hack in Adobe Photoshop. You want to start by importing your photo onto Photoshop and zooming in on those lips. Select your pen tool on the left panel and start to outline the lips by clicking various points along the borders of your lips. Now, you want to make sure that where there are curves, your points are not too far from each other because you have to get those curves right. The last thing you want is to have a smudged lipstick look when you're done. So I'm just going to go ahead and select the borders as accurately as I can to create a perfect outline. Then I'm gonna go ahead and then right click on the layer and then make selection. My feather radius is 10 pixels and that is good enough for what I'm trying to do. Now that my lips are selected, I'm going to go ahead and then right click on the layer and select solid color and then choose a color to go with. Okay, this black is, let's try this out, see how it's gonna turn out. Okay, then I'm going to this drop down menu and select multiply to try to blend in the color and the original texture of the lips. Now I'm going to select my move tool and then check if my outline was as good as I wanted it to be. Then I'm gonna go back to my layer, right click that, and select blending options. Now right down here at underlying layers, I'm just going to reduce that a bit so that I could get that glossy effect. Okay, this is, this is not bad. The black doesn't look bad, but I think I would like to change the color instead. So I'm just gonna go back here, click on that, and then pick a ooh, okay. Yes, that works. So, okay. And there you have it. For more tutorials like this, subscribe to my channel and make sure to like this video. Thanks for watching.